Kyoritsu Digital Multimeter Q1009. Q1009 is manufactured by Kyoritsu company with weight of 280 grams and dimension of 5 to 8 to 16 centimeters, which is a compact and lightweight portable multimeter. It is important to know that multimeters are also known as ohmmeters. When creating this device, manufacturers separately made voltmeters, ammeters, and ohmmeters. And some of this device features are auto range and manual range selector provided. Resistance range provides an audible continuity test. Automatically turns the power off in about 30 minutes to conserve battery life. Direct current measurements up to 10 amp AC and DC. Some of these device specifications are measuring AC voltage and DC voltage from 400 millivolts to 600 volts, measuring AC and DC currents from 400 microamps to 10 amps, measuring resistance from 400 ohms to 40 megaohms. This device also comes with a buzzer that sounds below 100 ohms. Measuring frequency range is between 5.12 Hz and 10 MHz. Thanks for watching.